I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can log in on Amazon. Before starting the tutorial, I'd like to let you know about Amazon. Amazon is an app where you can browse, search and buy millions of products. Now open up browser on your phone. You can use any browser you want. For now I'm going to open Google Chrome. After you open up browser, search amazon.com on your search bar. This way you'll directly land on Amazon's website. On top right hand side, there you'll see the option of sign in. Tap on it. Now enter your email address or your phone number that is linked to your account, and then tap on continue if you agree to Amazon's condition of use and privacy notice. After that, enter your password. After you're done, tap on sign in. This way you can log in on Amazon. Now you can browse, shop by department, compare prices, read reviews, share products with friends, and check the status of your order. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.